Hello, magical people. Can you see the happiness on my face? Oh my God. Oh my God. If you have accomplished and you are here for day 28, I'm 100% sure the same thing we are sharing together, right? That grin and happiness while seeing this video. Oh my God. Tell me, seriously tell me, you have written by now 280 blessings or 270 blessings, 280s today. How do you feel? Be it your career, be it your relationship, be it your finances, be it your health, or be it your own happiness. Did it circumstances change for good? And do you see the magical results out here, or maybe things changing and you're just feeling amazingly good? Do let me know if that's happening in comments. I would love to have that talk with you, or soon maybe we'll have a live real time streaming as well. We never know. Magical things ahead. Anyway, today is the last day, and with whole heart, with gratitude, I'm unlocking the day 28, which is remember the magic. Oh my God, don't tell me you might be in the load of, oh my God, there's something to do to remember the magic. Things would be like, oh my God, it is so effortless to remember the magic. I can take it, walk it without even practicing in certain ways and all. I know so much. I can apply any combinations. That's what remember the magic is all about. Okay. If you would have observed that there is no day which is the same day, like every day is uniquely different. It won't have all the similar events. Every day is different, right? And every day's magic is unique, like completely unique compared to the other day, compared to the, I won't say compared, like every day has its own magical, unique blessings. The blessings which you were talking about, every day has good things, okay? And the other day will have a very different good things, but it goes forever. And that's the power of remember the magic. Like, what if you remember what happened just yesterday? And feel blessed about what happened yesterday. There are so many good things which has happened, which have made you smile or something, just a relief, like smallest possible or biggest change would have happened in your life yesterday. And you can do it as many times as possible whenever you want. You remember the magic and feel the magic word thank you. You'll come across so many good things, and that is going on forever and ever and ever and ever. And that's the beauty and that's the power about this particular day. Remember the magic. It's like whatever your desires are now, or whatever your desires are coming in the future, or XYZ place you are in, the remembrance of the previous day, like what good things, blissful things happen, will give you such a big smile. And you'll get to track, like you'll be able to connect the dots where you are moving towards, and how beautifully you're being courageous and doing so many things, or maybe like so many places, and so many magical blessings are with you. You'll be surrounded by that, and you'll be creating abundance of it. The best way, I would say, I wouldn't say the best way, but yeah, it's the best way which Rhonda Brand has shared, like like any other practices. But if you see the overall result, it's something bigger and better you are doing comparatively how you were you know running yourself untrained in stress and tension and XYZ. So what Rhonda Brand says is, in the morning today, remember the best things that has happened from yesterday morning when you woke up, to whatever events of the day, be it your morning, your afternoon, your evening, until you go to bed. Whatever good things happen, remember that. And when you remember that, say in your mind out loud, thank you. And for this practice today, you'll be writing it also. Whatever events in your entire day, write what you're grateful for, and reread and say thank you and write, and you'll be surprised. There are so many. It can be a list of 10, It can be list of like, next time, today you are writing 10 in your computer or on your journal. And when it becomes it should be so effortless that you are just scanning through the day, and the magical moments will just come like a bubble. It will spike in your head. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Literally, you'll just think about, oh my god, this happened, oh my god, this happened, oh my god, like that. And and if you find it like, even a bit of effort, what you're going to ask yourself is, what are the good things that happened yesterday? The moment you ask this self to yourself, your mind will immediately start looking for answers. Yeah, it will look for answers like, did you receive any great news? I'm just going to read it. It is beautifully written, okay, in Rhonda Bryan's language. All the questions, oh my god. And I was like, yeah, 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 I was thinking about yesterday and I was answering this. So you can also pause, just have this thing in mind, thinking about yesterday, and you'll figure out a lot of things which are coming in your mind, and you'll be grateful for. Like, I am so grateful for yesterday. I so wanted to go for like, outing with my office family, with my colleagues, with my partners, and I was like, let's just go. And I so wanted my brother also to come with me, and his best friend also to come with me, and it was next to impossible. He was like saying no, and magically I just did whatever, and they came, everything went as if like, I visualized it. I was so grateful for each and every moment. To Nemo's, we went to a lot of other places out of town we went, and the entire day was just magical. Each and every minute events also I remember, and I just wrote it, or I was just saying thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so yeah, back to the questions. Did you receive any great news? Did you magically receive or accomplish one of your desires? Did you magically receive unexpected money? Did you feel especially happy? Oh my god, a lot. Did you hear from a friend who haven't heard from in a long time? Did you had a call from a friend who didn't call you since a long time, or you didn't talk with since a long time? Did something go magnificently well for you? Did you receive a great phone call or email? Okay, I don't know. As soon as you ask this question, okay, to your mind, that what are the good things that happened yesterday, and your mind will start looking for answers. Did I receive any good news? Or I was waiting for that particular phone call and it just came magically. A friend called me. Oh my god, did my desire come true? Did I get unexpected money? Or did I just, I was waiting for this news, someone just proposed me. Oh my god, this particular, like, happiness I was waiting for, I'm so happy. There's so many things which will magically just come in your mind, related to your relations or anything. Isn't it so magical to see? Before, we used to never think about what good things have happened. We used to always live in, oh my god, ye baki, wo baki, itna stress and all those things. You're living each day, and you're, not in the race. You're just living your life as a journey, and just one day at a time. Things are just moving in the best way possible, because कोशिश करने के बाद जो कि हार नहीं होती, literally. So yeah, it is the beauty of remember the magic. And you know what? Once you are done today, when you're going to write it down and all, for the any other days, remember the magic can be a mixture of, sometimes you just feel like writing and there is no list of writing. You can write how many ever blessings you want, or you can just think about how many ever blessings whenever you want to think about, and you have to feel grateful, thank you, in your mind or out loud. You can literally talk about the blessings to yourself and feel thank you. You can literally write it and feel like, thank you, thank you, thank you in detail. Or you can write a short list, whatever of blessings which is happening, whichever way is possible. You can visualize anytime. That's the beauty of remember. Just mix it up. Oh my god, you're in the lift, and you're just thinking about, oh my god, yesterday this happened, that happened. Because 98% of our time, we are either in past or we are in future. Okay, 2% we are in present. Now in the past, when you're thinking about, you're just thinking about the good things, and you're so happy. And when it comes to future, you're visualizing about the good things and then you're working towards it. That's how magical it becomes. The mixture of it, and which you can do it any time of the day. And remember, the magic is magical. You can do anything. So yeah, how's going? How is it going? How is it going for you? Oh my god, oh my god. So today, by end of the day, I would say you have excelled it. You have already transformed your life. Can you see that happiness was not there in the morning because when I didn't do the practice and just I did and I was like, wow. Okay. So today what you're supposed to do is write your 10 blessings, like what you're grateful for. Write the list of 10 blessings, whatever you're grateful for. You know, this is what I did. This is what I did. Brian has written this way, but I did it. I just wrote 10 after reading this particular thing. I wrote 10 things which I'm grateful for, which happened yesterday. And I lived my magical day. Instead of counting my blessings, whatever I write, like I wrote this, whatever happened yesterday, those blessings I just remembered, and I was like, reread each blessing, and I said, "Thank you, thank you, thank you." Then in my mind, I just went through all the events which happened yesterday, and I was so happy. I was like, it was just magical. I was so much like, I visualized this and similar thing happened, and it was just amazing seeing the dream coming true. It was just beautiful, and I'm sharing it with you. I'm just feeling blessed about it. It really works. So do that, and then for each and everything, whatever happened, just feel thank you in your mind or out loud. And after this day, I'll tell you what combinations and whatever things you can apply to change all the things. I'll just summarize it. That's what Rhonda Bryan has done beautifully. So, yeah, this marks your 28th day, and do let me know. Last but not least, hold that magic rock. Think about the best thing that happened today, the best thing in your entire day, and then feel the magic. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then have a good night's sleep. Your subconscious, your conscious, everything has just changed through this particular technique. Now you will be seeing the world in a different lens altogether. And you'll be like, oh my God, why not before? I wish, you know. But it's okay. Whatever happens, happens for good. With this, thank you so much for beautifully listening. And I really loved having this conversation with you. And I really loved every part of it. And do be in touch, like, through comments or through however magically we appear. And yeah, if you love this video and it has really, really changed the way you think, feel, and act, and circumstances and XYZ, you know the magic, right? Spread it with the people, because the more you give, the more you receive in abundance by magically helping people and making the world a better place to live, and a happier and a healthier place to live. Okay, thank you so much. Take care.